Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Chucky from Rugrats today. So to start with, we are going to start with Chucky's glasses. So we're going to draw a little box like so, and another little box kind of like that. And we're going to put another box just like that right beside. So we've drawn two squares with some little gaps in them. And we're going to draw the gaps in between. We're going to draw two little rectangles on the sides. And then we're going to draw some squares in the middle like that. We're going to put some circle kind of shapes in there with a little black, leaving a little light. Just like that. All right. So now we're going to draw the ear and bottom. Well, I think we're going to draw this finger first. Okay, so he's got this finger right here. So it's just like kind of that shape right there. And then it comes down for his hand like that. And then he's got 1, 2, 3 little fingers like that with a little curvy line and a little line there. Okay, now we can do the face. So to start his face, we're going to start at the side of the glasses and just come around like so. And then it's going behind his hand and it's going to come down. And then he's got this little neck like that. It's going to come up like so. And then come around. And then he's got this ear with a little thing on the middle. And now we can do his crazy Chucky hair. So it's going to be a bunch of V's. You got this. You totally got this. Okay, now let's go to this other side for a while. Okay, and I think we're matching up here pretty good. All right, that looks pretty good. And then we've got like a little suggestion right here of the hair coming down. And we've got some hair coming down right there in front of the ear. And there that is. Okay, so then he's got like a little end nose right here. Some little nose holes. There we go. And then his smile starts over here. And then it's going to come across and back up like that. And he's got his little teeth. And there is Chucky. Oh, and we almost forgot his very important freckles. There's his face. Good job, Maniacs. Okay, now for his shirt. So we're going to start up here on his neck. And we're going to come around like so. Come around like so. And then he's got some little lines on that. Then his shirt comes down and runs into his hand there. And then under his arm, about right here, it drops down, comes up, and runs into his arm. And then we've got a little letter U line there, another letter U line there with a few little detail lines, and there's his arm. Then his shirt comes down like so. Then comes down like this. And then he's got another arm right here. So start with a line, come down. There's where his thumb goes into his shirt, come down. And then here we have 1, 2, 3, and then 4 with a little curvy thing, like so. Okay, and then we have his sleeve. Well, that'd be like his little, oh, my brain's dead, whatever that is. And then the top of it is kind of fluffy like that. And then he's got a shoulder here that just kind of comes down, it kind of puffs out. If we draw some lines like that, his shirt will look a little puffier. And then we've got the back of his shirt here. And then he's got his pants. Like that. And then his other leg. And it just kind of works right up into there. And it looks like he's got some type of little pattern on his pants. They look like little weird peanuts. Very interesting. And then he's got some detail there in his pants. Draw some more details here. Oh, we forgot the logo that's on his shirt, which is a little Saturn or something. We draw a circle like that, and then come around like that, and then just a little underneath. There we go, that looks great. Okay, now for his little legs. We've got a couple little lines coming out like that. He's got like some little socks there. And then he's got his shoes with his laces coming undone. Obviously he doesn't know how to tie his shoes yet. Just like so. Go, we've got a couple little lace lines there. Good. Now for the other side. Come on out. Like that. And then he's got this one that kind of wraps around. Comes in. Lace lines there. All right, and there, my Maniacs, is Chucky by request. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania.